In this sum, you can see everything depends on Rahman's age, right? In the above question, you can see the sum of reciprocals of Rahman's age. The sum of reciprocals of Rahman's age means everything depends on Rahman's age. So first we will take here the Rahman's age. So write, let the present age of Rahman be x. So your next condition is what? The sum of their reciprocal of Rahman's age is 3 years ago and 5 years from now. So we have to find out 3 years ago what was Rahman's age. So therefore Rahman's age three years ago equals to x minus 3, and Rahman's age 3 years ago equals to x minus 3, and Rahman's age 5 years from now, 5 years from now equals to x plus 5. So what we can write now? According to question, 1 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x plus 5 equals to, what is the condition given there? Is 1 by 3, right? So just simplify it, x plus 5 plus x minus 3 and within bracket x plus 5 and x minus 3 equals to 1 by 3. So ultimately 2x plus 2 into 3 equals to x square plus 5x minus 3x minus 15. So 3 to the 6x, 5x minus 6x. So you can write x square minus x minus 3x here. 3 to the 6 minus 15 minus 6 minus 21, and here 0. So ultimately x square minus 4x minus 21 equals to 0. Now we will solve this one by the formula of Sridhar Acharya. So from here we can write x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So what is the result? Minus b. Minus b means here this one is the b. So minus of minus 4 plus minus root over minus 4 whole square minus 4 into a means here 1 and c is here minus 21 by 2 into 1. So ultimately 4 plus minus root over 16 plus 84 by 2 equals to 4 plus minus 10 by 2. So you can write here 14 by 2 comma minus 6 by 2 equals to 7 comma minus 3. But we can't take this minus 3. This minus 3 we can't take because age never be negative value. So present age of Rahman is which year? 7 years. So right, present age equals to 7 years. Read the next question. What is given there? The sum of science marks in mathematics and English is 30. So according to question, what is there given? Math plus English equals to 30. So suppose if you are taking here the value of math is x, then e becomes what? So e equals to 30 minus m equals to 30 minus x, right? So if you write, let the marks of math be x, therefore marks of English equals to what? 30 minus x. Now read the next condition. The next condition is, had she got 2 marks more in mathematics. So new marks of math equals to how much? X plus 2, and new marks of English equals to what? Equals to x, sorry, English marks was what? 30 minus x minus 3. Okay, so ultimately it becomes 27 minus x. It is present marks of English and it is the present marks of math. The condition is their product is 210. So we are going to make the condition. So what you can write now? You can write according to question, x plus 2 and 27 minus x equals to 210. So ultimately what is the value of the product? 27x minus x square plus 54 minus 2x equals to 210. 25x minus x square plus 54 equals to 210. Ultimately 25x minus x square minus 56 equals to 0. So x square minus 25x plus 156 equals to 0. Therefore by quadratic formula, x equals to minus of minus 25 plus minus root over minus 25 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 156 by 2 into 1 equals to 25 plus minus root over 625 minus 624 by 2 equals to 25 plus minus 1 by 2 equals to either 26 by 2 comma 24 by 2. So 13 here and here 12. So write when math equals to 13, English equals to 30 minus 13 equals to 17. Again when math equals to 12, English equals to 30 minus 12 equals to 18. So see the video again. In next math, first we will draw one rectangle. Okay, so it will be very easier to understand. So from this figure we can say this one is the shorter one. So we will write here x. What is the condition? The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. So it is the diagonal, you know that. So it will be what? X plus 60. Next is what? if the longer side is 30 meter more than the shorter, so it is what? This one will be more than this. Okay. Now prepare the condition. See, A, B, C, D. So we can write here A, B, C, D is a rectangle. Therefore, triangle DBC is right angle triangle. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, what we can write? We can write DC square plus BC square equals to BD square. Ultimately, DC square is what? X square. BC means x plus 30 whole square equals to x plus 60 whole square. Just simplify it, nothing. X square plus 60x plus 900 equals to x square plus 120x plus 3600. Done. Cut x square. So ultimately x square minus 60x minus 2700 equals to 0. Okay, now we will do the rest of the part by quadratic formula. So therefore, by quadratic formula, what we can write? X equals to minus b. Minus b means here minus 60, minus plus 60, plus minus root over d square. So minus 60 whole square, 3600 minus 4 into a into c. So 1 is here 4. So and minus 27700. So it becomes 00. Done. So by 2 equals to 60 plus minus. So it becomes what, 36 plus 8, 44. So root over 14400 by 2 equals to 60 plus minus 120 by 2. So either it becomes 90 or minus 30. But minus 30 not possible. So your answer is 90. So what we can write now? Find the sides of the field. Therefore, breadth equals to 90 meter and length equals to 90 plus 30 equals to 120 meter. So first we will consider two variables, x and y. So what is the condition there? The condition is the difference of their square is 180. So x square minus y square equals to 180. And see the second condition. Second condition is the square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. So suppose you are considering x greater than y. Smaller is y, so y square equals to 8 times the larger one. Y square equals to 8x. So now your question is find two number, right? So just put the value here. X square minus 8x equals to 180. So x square minus 8x minus 180 equals to 0. So same way by quadratic formula, what we can put now? Right, x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus b what? minus b means here minus of minus 8 plus minus root over minus 8 whole square minus 4 into minus 8, 4 into 1 into minus 180 by 2 into 1. So ultimately 8 plus minus root over 64 minus plus 720 by 2 equals to, if you add this one, 8 plus minus root over 7 8 4 by, therefore 8 plus minus 28 by 2 equals to 28 plus 8, how much? 36 by 2 comma minus 20 by 2. So either 18 or minus 10. So if x equals to 18, then y square equals to 8 into 18 equals to 144. So y square equals to 144, y equals to root over 144 equals to plus minus 12. Therefore x equals to 18 comma 12 once, or x equals to 18 comma minus 12. This is actually your answer, but you can take this minus 10. Okay, if you take this one is minus 10 here now, so it becomes the negative value. So you can't root over the negative value. Suppose you are taking here x equals to, suppose if you are taking here x equals to minus 10, so it gives you what? Y square equals to minus 10 into 8 equals to minus 80. So y equals to what? Root over minus 80. But you can't do the root over of any negative value. Actually it gives you the imaginary value, so we can't do like this. Okay, so that's why minus 10 we can consider. We have to find out the value by taking the value of x equals to 18.